This is my Honda CRF 250L. These are the regular grips that it has on it, and I bought some grip puppies to install. So I installed it on one side. This will give me a bit more comfort. So I'm not using any glue or anything underneath. I just slided it on with the compressed air. So I'm just gonna show you how to install it on this side. Started with the hand first. It's pretty flexible. Not too flexible, but it has some good flex to it. Once you get it that far, then get some compressed air and so that's completely on there now. Same thing on this side. It's a much wider grip now. Feels comfortable. And hopefully it will reduce some vibrations while on the road.